Open to work, garment pattern designer, seeking international opportunities. Hello everyone. My name is Alamgir Khan, and I am a garment pattern designer from Bangladesh. I am currently working at Liz Fashion Industry Limited and am actively seeking a new opportunity to work with an international apparel manufacturer. With strong experience in pattern making, grading, marker making, fit development, and production pattern engineering, I have worked on a wide range of knit, woven, outerwear, bottoms, tops, and other garment categories. I am committed to delivering accurate patterns, excellent garment fitting, and high-quality production standards. I am open to opportunities in countries such as Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Qatar, Oman, Jordan, Malaysia, Europe, or any other location where my skills can add value to a professional apparel manufacturing team. If your company is hiring, or if you know of any suitable openings for a garment pattern designer, I would sincerely appreciate your support, referral, or recommendation. WhatsApp +880 17764187757. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to connecting with professionals and recruiters in the global apparel industry.